In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a discount in Fresha, specifically tailored for business owners and service providers who want to provide special offers to their clients. Fresha, being a leading booking platform, gives businesses an edge by offering comprehensive tools to manage appointments, sales, and promotions, all within a user-friendly interface. To start, navigate your way to Fresha for Business by entering the provided URL in your web browser. This link directly takes you to the business-oriented section of Fresha, where all the magic happens from managing your bookings to customizing your services. Once you've arrived at the Fresha for Business page, your next step is to log in. Look for the Login button, usually located at the top right corner of the page. Clicking on this will lead you towards a sign-in process tailored specifically for business accounts. You'll notice an option that says For Business. This is your gateway to access the business functionalities of Fresha. Click on this to proceed. Now, many of us are familiar with the plethora of login methods available. In this scenario, we're going to opt for sign in using Google. It's a quick, secure, and efficient way to log into your Fresha business account without the need to remember another password. Simply click on this option. A list of your Google accounts will appear if you're signed into more than one on your device. Choose the Google account you wish to use for your Fresha business account. Remember to select the account that's associated with your business for a smoother experience. After successfully signing in, your next destination is the calendar. This is where all your appointments are neatly organized. You can directly access the calendar by clicking on the provided link. This link is specifically crafted to take you there without unnecessary detours. Upon opening your calendar, you'll see your appointments lined up. To proceed, click on the appointment schedule you wish to apply the discount to. This action opens up the appointment details, enabling you to modify or update as needed. Now it's time to move towards the checkout process, which is crucial for applying discounts. Look for the checkout option and click on it. This will open a new panel that shows you the details of the transaction you're about to process. In the checkout section, you'll notice 3 dots or an options menu, often symbolizing more actions are available. Click on these 3 dots to uncover additional actions you can take during the checkout process. One of the options available will be to apply a discount. Clicking on this option allows you to enter the specifics of the discount you wish to apply. This could be a percentage off the total amount or a fixed dollar amount depending on what you're offering. After you've entered the amount of discount, your final step is to make it official by clicking on Add. This effectively applies the discount to the appointment checkout, adjusting the total amount accordingly. Remember, providing discounts is not only a great way to reward loyal customers, but also an effective strategy to attract new ones. It's about creating value that encourages clients to choose your services again. This walkthrough has covered everything from logging into your Fresha for Business account to adding a discount to an appointment. Each step is designed to make the process as smooth as possible, ensuring you can offer the best deals to your clients without any hassle. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to adding discounts on Fresha, a useful tool in your business arsenal to boost client satisfaction and drive sales. Whether you're running promotions or giving thanks to your regulars, Fresha's platform makes it effortless. So go ahead, try it out and see just how simple it is to make someone's day a little brighter with a special offer.